Oh, hey, buddy. Welcome to the giveaway show. These are the prizes that I'm gonna give away. Good luck. So here go the list.
Let me see that list.
All the entries. We got 30.
30. Okay. Wait, I don't see my name anywhere.
All right.
Nah.
So they help me.
All right, me.
I got none other than Kayla. And today is her birthday. Happy 19th birthday today. So she gonna help me with this. And we got this random number generator. And let me get it up. Alright. So here we go. Ready? Let's go. First number is 6.
Treeline Model Works.
Treeline Model Works. Alright. We got 16. Bilge Rat. Okay. And we got number 9.
Brando Vanzek.
Yep. Brando. Okay. And last but not least,
25.
25.
Cesar Hernandez.
Cesar Hernandez. Okay. All right. So there you have it, guys. We got our 4 winners. I need y'all to hit me up on my email. My email is on my page. If you go to the what is it? The info where it tells about the description. Go to the description, and my email address is there. Or you know, just hit me up in one of my videos. I can give it to you. But yeah, thank you for entering, and I hope you guys enjoy the kits and the tools. And happy modeling. Happy 2019. That sounds weird. Look, 2019 and you just turned 19. Wow.
Wow.